Hey guys, Carrie with Core Marketing Group here. I am bringing to you this brief tutorial on how to set up Shopify email and also how to create segmented lists to use within Shopify email. So first we're going to go over here to marketing, and you're going to see like the section if you want to build brand engagement with Shopify email, you could click here, create an email. And so Shopify email is free to everyone through October. So I suggest giving it a try and seeing if it's something that you can possibly utilize for your shop. So you'll see that Shopify creates these branded templates. So we've got everything from a featured product to a sale announcement, curbside pickup, gift card, even a Father's Day. So it is going to bring you templates that are pre-configured based on kind of upcoming events. So here we have, I'm going to just click on the Father's Day campaign. So if you've used MailChimp or any other email marketing newsletter provider, it's going to be similar in some of its features. So you put in your subject preview text, and then here is also your customer group. So if you had subscribers, ones have not purchased yet, down to like demographics or returning and how they have purchased in the past. So, and I'm going to show you here shortly how to create a new list to do that as well. So here's your email styles. You can change the content and template colors. And then if you have a gift card or a product, you can update this content, update the fonts, the link colors, alignment, background colors to be specified. If you want to upload your logo, you can do so and just upload it from there, update the alignment, etc. If you want to put in a new block of content, you essentially click this plus line, and so you can add in another text block, buttons, images, products, gift cards, etc. So if I wanted to embed, say, a product in here, I'm just going to click that, and then it's going to allow me to select a product, and that's going to embed it into our email here. And say I want to hide the description, we can do so there. Say we want to change what the button says or what the color is. Say we want to make it a different color. So you can pretty much customize anything that you need to do within your Shopify email. So then you can go ahead and review and send a test, and then also see what it looks like on mobile so you can format it. Okay, so that's how you set up your Shopify email campaigns. Once you send out an email, then it's gonna give you all the analytics that you need, open rates, click rates, etc. So now I'm going to show you how to set up segmented lists to send it out to specific users using Shopify email. So you're gonna wanna navigate over here to customers. And you'll see we have all our different subscribers and customers here. So you can use what's called filters. So we're going to click filters. And so you have all these different options. So you can create a list if you have specific tags on customers, if there's different account statuses, email subscriptions, customer language, amount set. So maybe you want to send out an email to users that are kind of like your VIP customers that order a specific larger amount and you want to give them a discount to get them to come back to your shop. You can create a list doing that. Same with number of orders, abandoned checkout. And say if you had an international site, you could send out emails specifically to the country that those customers are coming from. And then also date of last order. So say you needed to send out an email to users that had ordered within the last 7 days, or you could even customize it. So say you need to send out shipping's behind, so you need to send out an email to those specific customers. So you could go over here and we want to send out an email to customers from the 8th all the way to, the 16th, right? So if you had customers for that, it's going to populate here with all those customers. So I'm going to clear the filters, and then I am just going to go here and say we just want the email subscription subscribers. So when you have your list here, Then all you would do is hit Save Filters, and then you can name it. So I am going to name this subscribed customers, and I'm going to save the filter. So think of how you can use that in just any different way. So we're going to go back over here to marketing, and I am going to go back over here to this campaign. We're going to open it back up. And now I'm going to go over here. And now you're going to see I have this specific list that we created and named called subscribed customers. And so it's only going to send out to those specific users. So that is a brief tutorial on how to set up Shopify email and how to create segmented lists of customers for specific emailing purposes. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to us on Instagram. Our handle is Core Marketing, and also head over to our website at coremarketinggroup.com. Thank you.